ResortDeck is the most natural looking composite decking board on the market. Now the reason why it looks so natural is because of two reasons. First of all, it's the natural colouring of the boards, and secondly, it is the matte oiled surface finish and texture. There's a whole lot of tech that's used to achieve this. Not only does it look really good, it still offers the incredible durability and low maintenance. ResortDeck can be installed on traditional timber deck framing, or it can be installed on our quick build aluminium deck framing system. Both systems have a concealed fastener so you don't see any screws or nails. There's some real advantages in installing it on the quick build aluminium framing system, but we'll talk about those a bit later. ResortDeck is available in a range of colours and board profiles to suit your project. You can order samples online, or you can also see more technical attributes about the product on this page, such as board dimensions, installation details and other technical attributes that you may want.